In another hour, I'll be king of the forest. Long live the king. If I were king of the forest, not queen, not duke, not prince, my regal robes of the forest would be satin, and not a cotton, and not chintz. I'd command each thing, be it fish or fowl, with a woof and a woof and a royal growl. As I click my heel, all the trees would kneel, and the mountains bow, and the bulls kowtow. And the sparrow would take wing. Fie, fie, were a king. Each rabbit would show respect to me. The chipmunks genuflect to me. Though my tail would lash, I would show compassion for every underling. Fie, fie, were king. Just king.
When the weight of the world has got you down and you wanna end your life, bills to pay, a dead-end job, and problems with the wife. But don't throw in the towel, 'cause there's a place right down the block where you can drink your misery away. At Flames on the Flaming Moe's, when liquor in a mug can warm you like a hug, and happiness is just a flaming moe away. Happiness is just a flaming moe away.
How's the world treating you, Mr. Gumble?
Yeah, it's sad, believe me, missy, when you're born to be a sissy without the vim and vibe. But I could show my prowess, be a lion, not a mouse, if I only had the nerve.